friends, this is Katie from the Parish Group here with another edition of the Slate 101 series. Today, we are going to learn about how to set your branding colors in configuration keys. Under Database, we're going to go ahead and search for configuration keys. And this does bring up a lot of powerful options, from setting your first day of the week to making sure that ping is enabled on your Slate pages. This is also where you can access some early access features. And I do want to say that the settings here are powerful and affect your entire instance. So what we are going to do is set your HTML color palette override. And you can see here that I've actually already done this with the official Parish Group colors already in a list of hex codes without the pound sign and using commas to separate. This is going to make it easier to brand messages, dashboards, and a whole bunch of other things in Slate. If we jump to our very festive birthday message from a few Slate 101s ago, where we built the query and not the language, we can see the override colors front and center when we try to change the text. The Parish Group is a Slate Gold partner, and we'd love to help you implement, audit, or optimize your instance. Reach out at success@parishgroup.com or call us at 828-505-3000.